Hi kids! Today we will learn what are vowels and we will fill some blanks with vowels. So let's start. We know that there are 26 letters in English language. Out of these letters, 5 letters, A, E, I, O, U, are called vowels. For example, in the word cat, A is a vowel. In the word bit, I is a vowel. In the word sun, U is a vowel. In the word aeroplane, so many vowels are there. Can you count? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A, E, O, A, and again E. 5 vowels are there in this word. So, a word can have one or more than one vowel. Kids, do you know there is no word that has no vowel in it? You cannot make any word without a vowel. Now, let's have some words with some blanks, and we will fill these blanks with vowels. Which vowel do you think can be placed here? A. Yes. It will become C-A-P, cap. E. No. O. Yes. It will become C-O-P, cop. U. Yes. It will become C-U-P, cup. Now let us take another example. We have to fill the vowel here. A. Yes, it will become ball. E. Yes, it will become bell. I. Yes, it will become bill. O. No, it will become B-O-L-L, bowl. U. Yes, it will become bull. Now, let's try one more word. A. No. A cannot be filled here. It will not make any word. E. No. E also cannot be filled here. I. No. O. Yes. O will make it box. U. No, we cannot fill U here. It will not make any word. Now here we have another example, and we will try all the vowels here. S, N. Let's fill the vowel. A. No. E. No, it will not make any word. I. Yes, it will become S-I-N, sin. O. Yes, it will become S-O-N, sun. U. Yes, it will become S-U-N, sun. Now we have images of some objects and their spellings with missing vowels. This is the incomplete spelling of a car. Which vowel should come between C and R? It should be A. C-A-R, car. This is the spelling of fan. Which vowel should come between F and N? It should be A. This is the spelling of pin. Which vowel should come between P and N? It should be I. This is the spelling of run. Which vowel should come between R and N? It should be U. This is the spelling of sun. Which vowel should come between S and N? It should be U. And it will become S-U-N, sun. This is the spelling of fat. Which vowel should come between F and T? It should be A. F-A-T, fat. Kids, remember, there can be no word that has no vowel. Each spelling has at least one vowel, and there could be one or more vowels in a word, and each vowel has a different sound. So kids, now you may go ahead and take a quiz to learn more. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want to see more fun videos, you can hit that subscribe button. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more content. Bye-bye!